There's a hair in my eye. Did I get it? I got it. Okay. You guys, I have 100 subscribers. Oh my god. I have 100 subscribers. Fix that. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. I am so happy that you are here because today I am doing another installment of my 50 random facts video. I think this is part 5. I think, don't quote me on that. I am outside today because I'm at work and I'm currently on my break, but I wanted to get this filmed for you guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into this. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Let's jump into my random facts. Yeah. So my first random fact is that I actually started out as a blogger. When I first started getting into blogging, I was about 14 years old. This was 11 years ago. I started the worst poetry blog in the history of poetry blogs. It was bright pink and you couldn't read it because everything was so pink. No one read it, by the way. It was just there, and it was where I would put my poetry and the songs that I was writing. It was just really bad. It was really bad. But that's how I started, and then I had a bunch of other blogs after that. I had a beauty blog, I had a current events blog, a lot of stuff. So that's actually how I got started as an influencer, I guess. The next random fact that I have is that I actually have tried to be vegan and vegetarian for a really long time. I've had a lot of failed attempts at being vegan and being vegetarian because I've always wanted to, but it's never stuck. Like I was never able to do it, and it really sucked because I really wanted to. I am actually not a vegan or a vegetarian now for religious reasons, and that's within the last 2 years since I've been practicing my religion. I am no longer trying to be a vegetarian or a vegan, but before that, literally, I wanted it so bad, and I never ever could. So now I'm thinking that maybe that was some kind of divine intervention. Like I wasn't meant to be a vegetarian or a vegan because of where I would eventually end up spiritually. So that's how I like to see it, and not just that I have absolutely no self-control, because that could also be possible. My third random fact is that I have a secret dream that I want to be on The Voice. That is my secret dream. I guess it's not so secret anymore, but that is my secret dream, to be on The Voice, because I love the show. It's a good show, and I love to watch it. And I think that the singers that go on The Voice are just so amazingly talented. They're so amazing and they're so talented, and I just always think, like, if I could actually make it onto The Voice, that means that I'm super talented and amazing too. So always been a dream of mine to go on The Voice, because that would like rubber stamp the fact that, oh yeah, you can sing. You're all right. You're okay. My fourth random fact is that I have a deep set love with country music. I love country music. Country music is literally my favorite thing to listen to. And I started off listening to Taylor Swift. Big surprise. She is my favorite singer, you know, in general. And I started listening to her first album when it came out in 2006. And ever since then, I've been Taylor Swift all the way since then. But that's actually what got me into country music. And I love it. I think that they're just amazing storytellers. Country musicians, country artists are just amazing, amazing storytellers. And it's just, it makes me happy. It makes my heart happy. Country music makes my heart happy. I do listen to other types of music, but country music is definitely my fave. So the last random fact about me is that I am a cardio nut. Okay, I know there are some people who don't like cardio and they do everything they can to avoid cardio. I love cardio. Okay, I love cardio, and not just because it's great for losing weight. I've loved cardio since before then. When I was 18, I got certified to be a Zumba instructor. I love Zumba. Zumba is amazing. I've always loved to dance, and dance is amazing cardio. I've always loved it. And recently, if you guys have watched any of my videos on fitness, you know that I run, and I have discovered a love for running. Okay, I love running. Okay, I love it. I don't know why. It gets my adrenaline up. It gets me happy. I feel like when I finish a 3-mile run, I feel so accomplished, especially if I beat my last time. It's so amazing to me. And I don't know, it's just great. And personally, I like to run outside. I don't run on a treadmill or anything like that. I just feel like I need to be out in nature, seeing, you know, the trees passing by and, you know, cars passing by. I can't just run like on a treadmill for an hour. Like I can't. I don't know, it makes me uncomfortable. Personally, I like to run outside. That's all I'm saying. Well, beauties, that is all for this video. There will be some more videos going up today, so stay tuned for that. But I did want to get this up because we are getting to the end of the series, so I'm really excited because that means that I won't have to come up with any more terrible random facts. If you don't think my facts are terrible, comment down below and let me know, because I think they're really bad, and I think I might have repeated some. If I repeated some, let me know, and I will work on not being so unoriginal. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining my Beauty Brigade. Thank you for joining this beauty family. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for commenting on my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for existing. Thank you for being you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think I can go ahead and stop thanking you now, but thank you. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. If you missed my last video, which is a get ready with me video, and you know, how to deal with change, how to let go of the past, I will go ahead and link it here so you can watch that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click my face and then hit the big red button that says subscribe, or you can hit the red button down below this video and subscribe that way. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye.